In this meditation, I gently invite you to pause in the flow of your day, soften your body and mind through breath and calm guidance, and return to yourself, to a place of inner quiet, safety, and natural restoration. Sit down comfortably. Allow everything that has happened today to fall silent for a moment. This is your moment, a moment in which you can pause, slow your rhythm, and return to yourself. Take a slow, deep breath, as if you were making space for something good inside you. And a long, soft exhale, allowing tension to begin leaving your body. Take another deep breath, calm and steady. And a long exhale, guiding you into deeper relaxation. Close your eyes and notice that you don't have to do anything right now. Time gently slows down. Your body begins to shift into a state of regeneration. Imagine a subtle light appearing in the center of your chest, warm, quiet, steady, like an inner space inviting you to rest. With every breath, this light becomes more present. It opens for you like a safe inner chamber, a chamber where you can set everything down, even just for this short moment. Say gently in your mind, I allow myself to pause for a moment. I allow myself to breathe. I allow myself to return to myself. This is where renewal begins. Slow, intuitive, exactly what you needed. Take a slow, mindful breath. Feel how your body responds, as if it instantly knew what you need most. And a long, calm exhale in which everything that became heavy today begins to dissolve. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. Notice the delicate warmth there, as if a soft inner touch were illuminating this area. Let this warmth flow down to your forehead. Imagine it smoothing every tiny contraction, every tension that gathered there throughout the day. Feel your eyes, the muscles around them becoming soft, your temples calming down, as if wrapped from within by quiet. Now bring your attention to your jaw. Allow it to loosen naturally. Let it release everything it has been holding for too long. Say quietly to yourself, my body deserves rest. My body knows how to regenerate. My body is my ally. Now feel your neck, the place that often carries invisible weight. Imagine a warm stream of light moving through it, untying tension fiber by fiber. This light flows downward into your shoulders. Feel them becoming heavier and at the same time more free. The light moves further into your arms and hands. Feel tiredness leaving them. Feel them becoming warmer and calmer. Now bring your attention to your chest. Feel the subtle movement of your breath, as if every inhale were smoothing the inside and every exhale releasing tension from beneath the surface. The light moves lower into your belly, a place that often gathers the emotions of the day. Let it soften, let it release, even just for a moment. Now feel your hips, your thighs, your knees. Notice them relaxing slowly, naturally, as if they already knew the path to calm. The light flows all the way down to your calves, your ankles, and your feet. Your feet become warmer, heavier, more grounded. Take one more mindful breath and a long exhale in which your body truly lets go. Imagine now that a wide space of silence opens within you, a silence that is full of comfort, clarity, and peace. In this space, you can simply be yourself, without pressure, without rush, without expectation. This is your place of regeneration. Take a gentle, mindful breath, so soft you can barely feel it, and a long exhale that opens you to deeper peace. Say in your mind, I deserve peace. My inner self knows how to renew. I regenerate with every breath. Let these words settle inside you like gentle foundations. Feel how the space within becomes clearer, lighter, softer. Now imagine that the light that guided you through this meditation begins to illuminate your whole body. First, your heart, then your belly, then your arms and hands, finally your legs and feet. This light becomes your balance, your strength, your regeneration. Now take a slow inhale and a long exhale, completing this short yet deep journey. Hold your attention at your heart. You may feel gratitude for giving yourself this moment, a moment that could shift the rhythm of your entire day. When you feel the moment is right, gently move your hands and your shoulders. Feel your body again. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes with new lightness, with new quiet, with a new breath. Thank you from my heart for sharing this moment with me and for allowing yourself to pause for a while within your own inner space. If this meditation felt meaningful to you, I invite you to subscribe, leave a comment, or share it with someone. It's the most beautiful way to support the creation of future Soulnest sessions. And if you feel drawn to topics such as reincarnation or the space between lifetimes, you're warmly invited to visit my shop on Buy Me a Coffee. You'll find deeper, extended meditations there, and the link is waiting for you in the bio and in the description of this recording. Until we meet again on another journey, may whatever you welcome today stay with you gently and for a long time.